I'm going to answer a question that we get asked quite often. It's a common question. How do you get this bear into this balloon? So here we go. Just kidding, this is not the way you do it. Let me show you how to do it the right way. Put the balloon inside the stuffing machine, and now we're going to stretch the neck open so that we'll be able to stuff items inside once we create a vacuum with the machine. So as you can see, the balloon is inflated, but the neck is still open, and I can put my hand with any items that I need to stuff into the balloon inside. So at this point, we're going to put in some stuffing shred for the bottom. And our bear, he has a string attached. It's just this easy. So make sure you hit your subscribe button so that you can be notified when we have future videos on how to do different things with balloons.